Come, live the dream at 955 Franklin Farm Drive in beautiful Mason, Michigan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch with an attached 2-car garage and a full sunny basement. Great curb appeal with the vinyl siding, covered porch with columns. This home has an open floor plan with lots of light. You will enjoy the great room that opens to the kitchen with cathedral ceilings. The convenient first floor laundry with washer and dryer. The open kitchen features a wraparound snack bar, all appliances, and a slider to the deck and fenced yard. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a private master bath. The other 2 bedrooms have double closets and share a hall bath. The basement is large and ready for finishing. It's stubbed for a 3rd full bath. The daylight egress windows offer much light to the lower level, plus there is a walkout. The workbench will remain. This home is easy to show. Come live the dream at 955 Franklin Farm Drive.